Hey everyone, welcome to the Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing a brown shade nail polish called Gel Effect Luster in the shade number 31 by the brand Swiss Beauty. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail polish that you use. I have personally tried this nail polish for over a month. You can see my older videos in which I have featured this nail polish. Please click the eye icon on the top right side corner to view the videos in their playlist. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups like this. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. I was able to find their Facebook page, and the website link mentioned on the Facebook page took me to a site that was down. Even the Swiss Beauty Instagram page gives a Nykaa link and not a Swiss Beauty website link. So from their Facebook page, I found out that this brand started in the year 2008 and they make cosmetic related products that are good quality and affordably priced. The link to their Instagram and Facebook page is mentioned in the description box below. Where did I buy it from? I bought this nail polish from the online store called Nykaa. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Product packaging. The nail polish comes in a glass bottle that feels pretty sturdy. The top part is a gold-colored plastic twist cap. The cap also has a black colored bristle brush that is attached on the inside. And the bottom part of the glass is square-shaped. Cost and lifespan of the product. It has a lifespan of almost 3 years from the date of manufacturing. The cost of the product is 99 rupees for a 10 ml quantity. Claims of the product. On the packaging, it mentions gel effect and 12-free non-toxic formula. The ingredients. Ingredients are not mentioned on the packaging, but they do mention that it is 12-free. This is the term that was coined by the healthy beauty community. Check out this playlist of mine. It is a collection of all the nail polishes I have reviewed and will be reviewing in the future. How many shades and sizes are available? I have only seen these in a 10 ml on the Nykaa website, and as for shades, I did see a couple more mentioned on the Nykaa site. How to store this product. It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. If you're interested in brown nail polish, then you have to check out this playlist of mine. They're all the brown shades of nail polishes that I have reviewed and will be reviewing in the future. How I apply nail polish. I have done a detailed video on how to apply nail polish like a pro at home. Please click the eye icon on the top right side to view the video. My experience with this product. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since I'm not certified nor an expert, I rely on sources that provide me with answers. So I first hop over to EWG website and check if this product has been tested by them. Since it is not mentioned on the EWG database, I have to do a manual check. As you can see, a list of ingredients is not mentioned anywhere on the packaging. This is not a good thing. Now I don't feel comfortable using this as I don't know what is in it. Packaging. I really love the packaging, especially the shape and size of the bottle. It is really tiny and cute. It is just perfect. The base is wide, so the bottle does not tumble every time I reach for the bottle during application. And it's not too tall, so it won't take up much height on my shelf space. How does it dispense? It is a basic twist cap that has a brush attached to it. The fragrance of the cosmetic. Before I start this point, I just want to mention that I have fragrance allergy. I've not done a patch test yet, but I do keep getting affected when I come upon something with fragrance. This nail polish has a strong acetone smell, but does not linger for too long after application. And I'm completely okay with this fragrance. Consistency. The nail polish is not thick or clumpy. It has a nice liquid consistency that is perfect for nail polish. Application. It's pretty basic. The application is quite smooth and gives a thin layer finish. Also notice that after it dries up completely, it gives a glossy finish. And the color finish is not completely the same. What I mean is that in some parts it looks darker and in some it looks lighter. And I also see some streaks. I don't know if this is all happening because of the bristles of the applicator or because of the nail polish formula. Quality of the bristle. Sadly, the quality of the bristle is not good at all. I actually cleaned my bristle so that you can see it even better. Just look at the different lengths. I had a hard time every time I tried to apply nail polish. Pigmentation. The color is very pigmented. As you can see, just one coat gives so much color. As shown in the bottle. The nail polish that is seen in the bottle does not match the nail polish shade after I applied the nail polish on my nails. The shade looks a bit lighter when it is in the bottle. How the nail polish looks after 1 week of application. This is how my nail polish looked after 7 days after the application. I have only applied the nail polish and not applied any base coat or top coat. Travel friendly. It is very travel friendly as it is small in size and the bottle is also not fragile. Checking the claims by this brand. Pros and cons. It is water friendly. It is travel friendly. It comes in a sturdy glass bottle. Almost 3 years from the date of manufacturing. No logo is printed on the packaging. It is easily available for me. EWG has not reviewed this product. Ingredients are also not mentioned by this brand. It is not fragrance free and the smell lingers for a few hours. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My rating. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 1. Storage and maintenance gets a 4. Travel friendly, also a 4. Value for money, again a 4. And the overall rating is a 1.5. I feel bad for giving a product a 1.5. But what is the point if I don't know if it is a safe beauty product or not? I just don't feel comfortable using such products on myself or even recommending such products to anyone. Will I buy this product again? Sadly, the answer is a no. I will not buy this product again. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!